Ah, way they go. Impulsive decision, head spin balota. Usi, down on the inside, ring dancer, embraceable is the early trailer. Impulsive decision, head spin, moving up by the rally, Susi, balota, embraceable, and ring dancer. Inside the last 600, the outstanding favorite, Husi, followed now by headspin, impulsive decision, braceable, is racing forward by a length, followed by ring dancer, Balota. Rounding the far turn, Husi, this time by some 3 lengths, impulsive decision, headspin, racing third, rushing up, embraceable. Last 450 and going to the final corner, Uzi by some 5 lengths, impulsive decision, embraceable in the middle, head spin from the outside, ring dancer. And nearing the finish line, Uzi, impulsive decision in second, embraceable head spin. And nearing the finish line, Uzi followed by entry number 4, impulsive decision, head spin. And finally, Uzi, impulsive decision, ring dancer, head spin, braceable, and balota.